Hello, my name is Dante Merrill. Today we'll be talking about flowing along the surface. So you can see here I've created an ellipse. I've created a smaller ellipse inside and tweened curves between them. And because I've used record history when I created it, anytime I move something over here, it'll actually cause the curves to change as well. So let's actually get to flowing along the surface. Here we can see that the curves all encompass the 3D portion of my plane. But if we move my plane over a bit, so over here, we can start working. So here we have just a border as a base curve, and if we were to flow things onto here, we would actually see something like this, where you can see that the curves have covered it in a 3D fashion. But because we still have this enabled, we can move it and do stuff like that. But one interesting thing we can do is if we turn these control points off, and then we select this outmost curve and click rebuild, we can do some cool stuff. So instead of doing 1, what happens if we do 20? We get something interesting like that. Or what happens if we do that again and we just do 50? We get a much bigger deflection. Or what if we do something like this? We go to 6 and 50. We start getting less. And so when we start changing these degrees, we end up getting a less of a perturbance in here. But the more points we have, the larger perturbance. And this is due to just how these lines are being created and the overlap, which is these darker areas you see here. If you have any questions about my video, please be sure to ask me. I think that these flowing surfaces are super cool, and that actually trying to figure out how it all works together is super interesting. So please let me know. Bye.